Welcome to the Man Cave. Let the games begin. Well, hello Man Cavers. You are joined today by a chicken. I'm only joking. How you getting on? We are going to do a bit more on this beautiful van. As you can see, I have done bits and pieces. I have levelled up the front bumper because that was hanging one side. I have fitted a bra or wind deflector, whatever you want to call it. Don't that look the titties? And we have blacked the wheels. So our camper is looking lovely and she's ready for her MOT with all her new brakes. The welding's been done. It's totally been under sealed. But a little bit more cosmetic stuff today. I do not like the colour of the bumpers. They've gone that horrible milky grey. You look now like that horrible milky scratched. I mean, them bumpers look all scratched and a bit manky. I'm going to show you. A lot of you have probably seen this before. I'm going to show you the best way and the most permanent way to restore bumpers. Now you can use chemicals, black to black, any of your other stuff. It's temporary. You'll put it on, the water will bead, you'll think, oh lovely. In a month they'll be grey again, guarantee it. Nothing's permanent. The most permanent way, simply a blowtorch. Now a lot of you have seen this before. Some people you'll see fanning around with heat guns, and they heat gun and that takes forever. Get the old math fired up. I'll show you how quick it is, look. There we go. And this is permanent. This won't fade no more. And you can do all black plastics like that. Only black though. There you go, look at that bad boy. Virtually instant. Let's get you around the front here so you can actually see what we're doing. There we go. There we go. There we are. And this will get in all your gaps and crevices as well. It will hide all the scratches up so you don't see them. Obviously you don't want to go holding it in this one spot for ages. That is not a good idea. If you've got any insulation and stuff behind, again be careful because you are using an acre plane. Now you don't want to hold it in one spot for too long because that'll melt the plastic. There we go, lads. Excellent. Now if you noticed it didn't do anything on this bit here because that's grey plastic. Won't work on grey, only on black. Don't that look better? There we go. And so fast as well. This is a really quick way of doing your bumpers. Really quick way. Obviously you want your bumpers cleaned first. These have been soapy washed, so there we go. come round here. I say, we have got a little bit of damage on here. We ain't going to worry too much. I don't want this van perfect. You want to look a bit rusty-tufty. Simple as that, though. Simple as that. There you go. How satisfying was that? We can even do our wheel arches as well. They wouldn't hurt at all. Because again, they're black. There you go, look. Nicely restored wheel arches. There we go. I ain't going to do this side and the rest of it at the minute, because that do need washing down the sides. The front bumper has been done though. So this is a very quick video of how to do your black on your front bumper. So that's how we do a front bumper. That's how you do your black plastics. Don't that look better? We've transformed this van in what? 5 minutes just by doing my little trick on the front bumper. Now we'll come up close to it again, and you can see, you noticed all them scratches and marks we had? Virtually invisible. Put it here this way, Stevie Wonder would love to see them. There is none. I mean, it's looking absolutely brilliant now. The haters will hate. Mr. Bodge Cave, heard it all before, guys. This channel is not for full restorations on too much stuff. It's for the normal man in the street doing a budget build at home, and he wants to get it looking decent, you know, without the expense of new bumpers and professional repairs. So if you're doing a DIY job, got to remember this van was 1,500 quid. 2006 Iveco Daily extra long wheelbase. So yeah, she's looking pretty damn good now. We've got to find a place to put some windows in there, but until I actually get the layout done inside and start using the van, I don't know where I want the windows. Because somewhere here, let me zoom out a little bit more. No, that's zooming in, mister. Where are we doing? Here we go, here we are. Somewhere here is our bench seat, which comes up to about here, quite high, and we're going to have lockers up there. So I don't think we're going to get a window in here. In this panel we have the kitchen area sort of coming around here. We're not going to want to put a window over that joint, that's a dead cert. So somewhere here is our kitchen panel, and then our bed starts about here and goes the 6 feet to the back here. So we might, our mattress, I think the top of our mattress come to here. So we could have a window up here somewhere, but I don't like putting windows over them joins, over them ridges, although some do. So we'll have to weigh up where we're going to have our windows at a later date. But today's video was very, very quick about how to do black plastics. And that will last a good 12, 18 months. And then, you know, if they do it again, blowtorch them again. You can do them countless times. But there we go. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. You've missed me with the diesel compressor. I have just sprayed the wheels because they were that horrible rusty manky silver. So I give the old wheels a quick rub down and a coat of satin 2K black with the compressor. Hence why I've got panel wipe, compressor and bits. So there we are, all done. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye for now. Ha ha!